Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy twisted half up half down hairstyle. To start, I'm going to apply heat protectant to all of the hair. Then we're going to divide out a small section at the nape of the neck and take in 1-inch sections. I'm going to twist wrap these around a curling tong. As you release it from the tong, give it a slight pull just to loosen it up a little bit so you're left with a wave. Make sure every time you take a new section you curl it in the opposite direction. And then when you've got that section all curled, grab some dry texture spray and apply it to each one of those waves. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then it's just as simple as taking down another thin section and creating the same curls, and every time you do that apply your texture spray. So you should end up with some lovely waves. Now for the twist, I'm going to take a section of hair about 1 inch back from the hairline, and I'm going to divide this in two, so we've got a bottom and a top half. Twist the bottom over the top, and then all we're going to do is add a small section of hair to that bottom section, and then from the part line add another section of hair to the top strand. Then cross that bottom strand over the top strand. So I'll show you again. Add a small slice of hair to that bottom strand, then taking a section from the parting all the way down, add that to the top strand, then just twist that bottom strand over the top of the top strand. And basically we're going to carry on using this method, so make sure you add hair to the bottom and the top strand and then twist them over one another. And we're basically going to do this until we get to the middle of the back of the head. Okay, so once you get round to the middle of the back of the head, stop adding hair and then just twist the sections around one another for about 3 or 4 inches and secure it with a clear elastic band. Then we're just going to repeat the same twist on the opposite side, making sure that you secure it off with another elastic band. Okay, so pull that left hand twist over to the right hand side and secure it through the middle with a couple of bobby pins. Now we're going to create a small hole in that left hand twist. Pop a couple of fingers through, and then we're just going to grab hold of the end of the right twist and pull it all the way through that hole. Then secure in place with a couple of bobby pins, and then secure the twist on the right hand side by adding a few more bobby pins through the length. Then we're just going to break off those elastic bands from the ends of the twists and unravel them. Grab your texture spray and again add it to these twists, and then use your fingers and thumb to gently pinch and pull at the top of each loop of those twists just to give it a little bit more volume. And then repeat it on the left hand side. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.